Man of the House, a tale of courage, unity, and family bonds. In a small, close-knit neighborhood, a group of children forms an inseparable bond. They spend their days playing together and creating cherished memories. At the heart of the group is young Timmy, whose father, David, is a hard-working single parent. Despite his responsibilities, David always finds time to be there for his son and his friends. One day, the neighborhood faces a sudden crisis when a series of burglaries occurs, leaving everyone frightened and concerned for their safety. The adults in the community try their best to protect their homes, but it seems the thief always stays one step ahead. Determined to safeguard their neighborhood, the children decide to take matters into their own hands. They form a secret club called the Protectors, with Timmy leading the group as the youngest and bravest member. They set up watch schedules and devise clever traps to catch the burglar. As they investigate, the children learn the importance of teamwork, trust, and looking out for one another. David, impressed by the children's courage and determination, becomes the guiding force behind their endeavors, teaching them valuable life lessons along the way. As the days pass, the children face challenges and setbacks, but they refuse to give up. With each obstacle, they grow stronger as a team and as individuals. Along the journey, they discover the power of compassion and empathy, realizing that the thief may be driven by circumstances beyond their control. When the time comes to confront the burglar, the children are faced with a moral dilemma. Instead of seeking revenge, they choose to show understanding and offer a helping hand. In a surprising twist, they discover the true reason behind the burglaries and help the thief find a better path in life. Through their unity and compassion, the children not only solve the mystery but also bring about positive change in the community. Their bravery and selflessness inspire the adults to come together as well, forming a stronger bond among the neighbors. As the story concludes, the children and adults celebrate their triumph over adversity with a sense of pride and unity. The Protectors become a symbol of courage and compassion, reminding everyone that when they stand together, they can overcome any challenge that comes their way. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.